Hello. Is my screen visible, audible, and is my voice audible to you guys? Just confirm me whether it is audible or not. Okay. Mm. Listen. So let's start the today's weekly outlook. Good evening, Shri. How are you doing? Yes. Let's go then. Let's start from DXY then. Right. Let's start from DXY and let's start from the weekly time frame. What does weekly look like? How does weekly look like? Still, no, nothing can be said with full confidence that like it's very difficult to predict the price is going higher or lower in weekly time frame. Seeing the candles right now, it is consolidating, to be honest, right? So nothing is accurate or nothing looks good here, right? Only thing we can see here is prices tap the weekly fair value gap and it has expanded higher. That's all, nothing else. So far the best thing we can do is to wait in weekly time frame. So let's go to the daily time frame. What does daily look like? So daily looks like we're still in the consolidation and we're still inside this fair value gap, right? Basically I'll be looking for higher prices in DXY and lower prices in euro, but uh, but I'm not fully sure about it, right? That is why I'll be waiting for more price action to develop. Then only I'll be able to look for trade, right? But as of now, if my plan will be, if price closes below this candle, let's say on Monday price closes below this, so now I'll be use this as an order block and will be targeting these lows, right? That would be my plan in case price moving lower, and if price started moving higher, then if price disrespected this fair value gap, then I will be looking for higher prices in DXY. That would be my plan. That would be my idea in DXY. Let's go to the Euro USD. So in Euro USD, let's see whether we can form a bias in one direction. DXY in weekly time frame, it is looking bearish, to be honest. And let's go to the monthly time frame. Monthly is a fair value gap, but we don't know that it's going to tap today or tomorrow or maybe after 1 year. Nobody knows. The key level which is we have is this candle, right? Spike candle we can say, or you can use this order block as well. And now maybe price can come to this, right? This is the previous monthly low. If you go to weekly, it's looking bearish, to be honest. Also price closed below this candle, so you can also use this as an order block. So I can clearly see that there is a bearishness in weekly time frame in Euro USD, right? So maybe if you see some retracement in Euro USD, we can go for shorts, right? So price, okay, it has closed below it in here, but it is showing here. I don't know why it is the issue, but anyway, the idea is looking for lower prices on Monday in Euro USD, right? And what is the key level I'll be using? Key level the key level is this last low before the breakout. So this key level will be very, I'll be using if price, I'll not be look but best thing is to wait for the London session or New York session on Monday, because if you immediately go and jump into the trade when the market opens, then it is foolishness, right? Let the volatility settle in, let the people settle in, okay, then only we can have clear buys. So maybe this is my key level. I'll be looking for short if price comes here like this, okay, and if price takes this low before hitting that level, then I'll be not be interested in looking for shorts anymore, right? That is my plan. And this is the previous month low, this is also previous week low. So these are all are the drawn liquidity for lower prices. And let's say price closed above this 4 hour fair value order candle, then we can look for a higher prices to this monthly fair value gap. So that will be my plan of action in Euro USD, right? So let's go to next pair. That is our Nasdaq, right? Nasdaq, if I'll start from the daily, weekly, let's go start from the weekly time frame. Weekly it is consolidating, nothing we can do here, it is chopping around here, so they no need to predict anything else here. The best thing we can do here in Nasdaq is, are you looking for lower prices in Nasdaq? I was, to be honest, I have marked this beautiful order block, and I was looking for short at this order block, right? You see, this was the order block key level, right? And this is a turtle soup, perfect model, perfect turtle soup. But the moment I started calculating my what do I say, my positions, I immediately tanked lower, right? Nothing we can do here, but let's say, and that's a part of the game, nothing we can do. Okay, so the idea is looking for lower prices in Nasdaq, and maybe we can draw the drawn liquidity could be this low, right? And what are the key levels I'll be using? The key level will be this daily order block. This daily order block will be my key level, so I'll be interested in if price comes here, right, and then taps this, and I'm looking for shorts and targeting this low and actually this low as well. So these two approach candle, and let's go to the weekly time frame. So in weekly, okay, there is no such levels we can look for in trades. Anyway, this will be my plan of action Nasdaq going on the next week, right? Let's go to the 4-hour time frame. What do we have? Oh, see, there's a 4-hour time frame. We already have a fair value gap at this daily order block, right? So maybe price can retraces, right? Retraces deep to this 4-hour order block. It can possible, it can be possible, or it can reject from this daily order block. So we have to look for the time, if price coming at the exact time, right, in New York session at around 9:30 or 10 o'clock, then that will be the right thing to short. If it come here, if it coming here, so both are the good key level to look for shorts, right? So that is my view in Nasdaq. Let's see. Okay, wisdom, yes, hello, yes, let's see how it goes. Nothing we can say for sure. Let's start from Nasdaq. Sorry, gold is higher, moving higher and higher, and it is extremely bullish. There's nothing to do here in gold. The only thing we can look for my knowledge, but it is very risky, very risky. Looking for short, targeting this CRT low, but it is extremely risky. I'll not suggest you to do this, right? Maybe you can try looking for shorts around this order block, right? And targeting this lows only, this low, right? So that would be small scalp or small short term trade from this order block to this low, that you can do. But rest I'm not confident enough to look for shorts in gold. Is extremely bullish, so better look for bullish trades. Okay, now let's go to yes, daily bullish order block is also bullish. CB is also holding this, right? Daily bullish fair value gap is, price is also holding this bullish fair value gap, so we can look for high prices, but let's see, nothing we can say for sure here. These all are the pairs I trade. Bitcoin, okay, let's pair, we'll go with the Bitcoin. Okay. What do we have in Bitcoin? We have planned, right, on Bitcoin. I don't know, I have told you, but I told you that I was looking for shorts maybe in the last session we did, right? And we already came to this fair value gap. That was my target and filled exactly, but now it is consolidating, and to be honest, price is inside this candle range, right? If you see, this price is inside this range. So what you will do if price stuck in a range? You do nothing. No, never know where price is likely to go. Let price generates liquidity and wait for a right time, right? Price is still inside this range, right? And if you see, price is consolidating the 50% of this range. See, so price is consolidating here, and it's literally acting as a support. So better not to touch right now. Let's wait for price to do something. Let price develop some new price action. Then only we can able to plan anything else in Bitcoin. else nothing we can do in Bitcoin. We just wait and watch, right? So euro looking for short, bearish price action, and Nasdaq same. Gold is bullish, but I'm not confident to look for shorts, and Bitcoin we will do nothing. So rest, you guys tell me which pair you want me to do, analysis, or want me to look for. You can put that in the comment section, else we will close this stream. Anything else you guys want me to say or ask, else we'll close this session, because I have already explained all the major pairs. And if you want me to, okay, so if you go to the news, what do we have on Monday? We have SEB President Lagarde speaks, so this can also bring volatility in the market. And on Tuesday we have Fed Chair Powell testifies. It can also bring. We have CPI on Wednesday, right? We have CPI on Wednesday, so this is the high impact news we can look out for, right? And Thursday, these are the good. Today, next week is a good week to trade, right? Friday we have core retail sales, 30 unemployment claims, PPI. These are the great news. It can also bring good volatility in the market. If so, yeah, you can trade all this. Nothing to worry about. Only thing you have to be cautious around CPI and PPI, and rest is good to trade. All days are tradable. News will help you to bring volatility in the market. If rest news will do nothing wrong, but if you're scalping during news, then God will save you. Okay, you want me to say US oil, so let's say US oil. Start from weekly time frame. Weekly, okay, bearishness. I can see bearishness. Looking for shorts in weekly. Its price has almost tapped this, and on daily it is bearish, looking bearish, right? So nothing, bro. I can't be able to find anything else in this pair. I'd rather avoid trading you with WTI US oil. There's no, I cannot find any bias, right? I'm not able to find any bias, so nothing we can do, bro. Just avoid. This is what I can say. Okay, anything else? Any pair you guys want me to discuss? Because we already have done DXY, Euro, Bitcoin, gold. Yeah, they are the major pairs which mostly people trade, right? So that's all, I guess. Anything else you want to ask and say, you can put it in the comment section, or we close the stream. I'll wait for a few minutes and then I'll close the stream if nobody have anything to ask, or right. So okay then, so let's close the stream and have a great weekend. See you on Monday. Okay, USD JPY, USD JPY, USD JPY is bullish. It taps the weekly fair value gap weekly. Okay, little bit tricky. USD. Now what I can see, there's a monthly order block. Okay, price has tapped the monthly order block. Let's go to weekly. We have tapped this candle, so this is also a good spike candle. We can mark this. And daily there's a doji candle, right? There's a doji candle. So doji candle is a sign of reversal. So if you see any bullishness, right, in DXY, you can look for longs and you can target this fair value gap. So that will be pretty good trade. And what I want to see is that price taking out the previous monthly low, sorry, weekly low or previous day low, and then forming an order block right around here or here, and then the order block will help me to price to push the price higher, targeting this fair value gap in 4-hour time frame. Or if you go to the daily, so there is a daily fair value gap as well. That daily fair value gap will be your, thanks for reminding me, I will be putting this pair in my watchlist to trade next week, so it looks good. Okay, so any bullishness sign, right, will help us price to move higher. Let's see. Now which pair, guys? XAG. Okay, bro. XAG USD. Let's go to forex.com. Bearish. It's still looking bearish, bro. So it's still looking bearish. Okay. Still closed above. It closed above the high. Trade is already done. No trade, bro. I'm really looking for shorting USD gold, but can be safe for sure. The way I said in USD JPY, that it is sure that we can move higher prices on euro. That is sure. Surety is there, but here there is no surety at all. So rather, only thing you can do is that you can use this order block to look for shorts. That's all. I don't know where to target. There is no drawn liquidity. I am able to find any fair value gap, any important highs and lows, and still price is there inside this fair value gap. So basically there is no room for to target, look for shorts. So I would rather avoid trading, looking for shorts in gold, silver. And if I see any bullishness, then we can look for longs and we can target this fair value gap, right? That we can do. Okay, are we clear? Are we done? Or anything you guys want me to say or ask, or shall we close this stream? This is the last time I'm saying, and we'll close the stream. Okay then. Thank you for tuning in, and see you next week, and have a great weekend.